For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in Windows Security. Once we find it, we're going to right click on it and then click on App Settings. Once we're on this, we're going to scroll down and then you want to click on Reset. And then click on Reset again and see if that works for you. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in services.msc and click on Enter. Once we're on it, we're going to click on any service and then click on S on our keyboard, which will bring us down, and then we want to look for Security Center. We're going to double click on that. Make sure that the service status right here says running, but if it's not running, then click on Start. If the service status still doesn't say running on it, then you want to head over to the link in the description below. Once we're on this, we're going to scroll down, and then you want to download this one, Microsoft Defender Antivirus Windows 11, for either 32-bit or 64-bit. The way to check which one you have, you want to head over to search and type in System Information. Click on it. Once you're on it, head over to System Type and it'll say right here, so I've got 64-bit, so I'm going to get the 64-bit one. You want to download this and install it to your computer. If that's still not working for the next method, we're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it and then click on Yes. Once you're on it, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing right here. So I'm going to expand HK Local Machine. Then I'm going to expand System. Then I'm going to expand Current Control Set. Then you want to open up Services. And then click on any service and click on W in your keyboard, which will bring you down. We're going to scroll down even more. Then you want to scroll down till you find this one right here, wscsvc. Once you find it, we're going to click on it. And then we're going to have Start right here. You want to double click on Start. Then you want to change the value data from whatever number it is, and you want to make it 0, and then click on OK. Once you do all the methods in this video, you want to restart your computer. Make sure you click on Restart. Don't shut down, click on Restart, and the problem should be fixed.